everyone is looking for a fantastic deal on a real estate property, right? And one of the best ways, and we talk about it all the time, is foreclosure auctions. But there are a lot of risks that come along with foreclosure auctions, and I want to walk through today one that we bought almost a year ago and that we finally just got possession from. Everyone, I'm the Flippin' Landlord Ninja, and we are Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
So I'm out in Lee, Massachusetts at a property, a single family property that we won about a little over a year ago. We then finally got possession about 9 months ago. Once we got possession, it actually turned out that it was owner occupied, and we tried working something out with the owner, who now became potentially our tenant. And it has been just nothing but a legal battle, contesting the foreclosure, contesting every little thing. And so we haven't gotten paid a dime in over 9 months. So we took over the property, had to pay for the property. Not only that, we had to pay for the electricity, the water bill, the taxes, the insurance, everything. And yet the tenant slash the owner didn't have to pay us a dime. So right now I'm gonna walk through and show you, we finally got possession. She's out, and now we got possession, and I'm gonna show you what we actually acquired after taking so much time and lost so much opportunity and all the holding costs, and now what we actually got as our product. So as you can see, there's a lot of trash left on the outside. So as you can see, this is the property. We got a bunch of trash she left on the outside. Hasn't been mowed for some time. And look at this. This is just right outside the front door. All right, here we go inside. So this is our, oh my God, the stench. Ugh. So a lot of trash. I mean, this is the risk that you have when you're buying foreclosures. Oh my God, look at the dog. This is all over the living room. Sorry, dining room. This is crazy. Look at all, she just let her dog. It's such animal cruelty. That's horrible. The kitchen's in pretty good shape. Man, who knows what else was been done. Oh, this, what the, that's disgusting. I mean, she just left here. I mean, she's been living in this for some time. Poor dog. Broken tiles everywhere. That was not broke. Look, she broke the shower. What the hell? The glass? That was definitely not broken when we walked here with code enforcement. Oh my God. There's just so much here. Oh my God. So, I mean, this is a high risk. This is the kind of thing you gotta report people for this kind of stuff. This is animal cruelty. I mean, it's just insane. That's all dog poop. That's all dog poop. So, I mean, as I said, I mean, foreclosures can be fantastic ways to get cheap property, but you have a lot of risk with it. That's why you really need to do your numbers really carefully. And I mean, this is one of those things you never really anticipate. Oh, look at this, the door destroyed. Oh, the smell. Look at all that. That's insane. I mean, the dog, she just left this dog here by itself, or I don't understand. Ah. Some people should not own animals. Just more everywhere. Oh my God. Ah. Wow, I just gotta watch out. I do not want to stand in a landmine. Oh wow, there's a little bit of poop in here. Jesus. And she had kids. She had kids. This is sad. This is so sad. Oh my God. So it's really important to really run your numbers, and you need to set up contingencies for unexpected things like this. Many of these times you don't get into these houses, and in this case, you might have got the win, but you don't get access because you might be occupied or owner occupied. You might have to go through a long, lengthy foreclosure process. They might contest everything, contest the foreclosure, contest anything and everything they can throw at it. Because once again, this is a very emotional time. If they're, the old owners, they're losing the house. It's really sad. I get it. It's not something that we like to do. I mean, but it's also not our fault. We didn't, stop their payments. We didn't, you know, whatever issue happened with their, you know, in their life that made them not be able to make their mortgage payment, that's not on us. We didn't foreclose on them. We didn't do any of that. We just won it at an auction. This is a business. And unfortunately, you know, we try to work with them. We always, you know, when we win them, we try to talk to them. We try to give them time to move. We try to maybe offer them cash for keys, which we try not to do too much on that. Creates a bad precedent. But we do try to at least do something for them. I mean, time is a great factor, giving them plenty of time to move, offering them incentives or something like that, moving truck, whatever it might be. I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can do, but you really, as a investor, need to be very, very careful with foreclosure auctions because they can be phenomenal. And we've got some massive home runs, but then we've gotten stuff like this. And once again, buyer beware, so to speak, because you are buying as is, where is. As always, guys, you know, this is going to be a great project. We're going to turn around. We're going to make money on this, which is phenomenal. Unfortunately, it took about a whole year after winning the auction for us to even start anything. And then she unfortunately trashed the place the way she did. Honestly, my big thing is I'm really sad and worried for the animal and the kids. This is just... I hope they get help. I hope that everything works out for everyone. If you guys want to learn more about buying foreclosures, check out this video. And if this is stuff that you like, this kind of content, please do me a favor, like, comment, share. And I'd love to hear what your feedback. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.